welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Gisha _ everything, and today I am back with another video. So before I get started in this video, I want you guys to like it, comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time when I post another video. Yes. So today I'm going to do a reaction video to, give me a minute. So today I'm going to do a reaction video to Pentatonix's Amazing Grace. Yes.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. And I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious did that grace appear the hour I first believed. My chains are gone, I've been set free. My God, my Savior has ransomed me. And like a flood, His mercy reigns. Unending love, amazing grace. The Lord has promised good to me. His word my hope secures. He will my shield and portion be, as long as life endures. My chains are gone, I've been set free. My God, my Savior has ransomed me. And like a flood, His mercy reigns. Unending love, oh, amazing grace. The earth shall soon dissolve like snow. The sun forbear to shine, but God who called me here below will be forever mine. My chains are gone, I've been set free. My God, my Savior
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, oh my Lord. Mm. Amazing Grace. Oh, if you love this video, y'all, oh my Lord, this video is so good. Like, oh my, this video is so good, like your favorite dish. Trust me. Oh Lord. Yes. So, if you enjoy this video, if you do enjoy this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Also, leave a review down below in the description box if you like it or if you don't. So leave down below, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time when I post another video like this and any other video though. But make sure that you turn on the post notification bell so you guys can get notified. Yes, 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 yes. And don't forget to do. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.